Dr. Kennedy Odede, jal manochako riwruok mar SHOFCO bedo ja Kenya kendo onagi mokwongo yudo mich mar United Nation mahiga 2025 nyasi mar rapar mar Nelson Mandela kaluwore gi ngima oganda ma osebedo ka oloko e pacho ka mangima. Nyasi manyobagi New York biro bang' higni 5 kendo en nyasi ma yango kendo miyo ji makelo lokruok e ngima oganda mich kuom tich makare. Odede ne ochako riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mar SHOFCO higni mahaw 20 ma okalo ka oselandore kendo konyo ji e counties mahaw 30 e pacho ka mangima.
Mandela taught me that strength is not the absence of struggle. It is what we choose to build within that struggle. 20 years ago, as a young man working in a factory for barely $1 a day, I saved 20 cents to buy a soccer ball. That ball was not just for play. It was a tool for organizing, a center around which a community could form. That community became Shining Hope for Communities, SHOFCO, as we call it. We didn't start with grand plans of any money, but with each other and a shared vision of what Kibera could become. A beacon of light and hope for the world. We cleared garbage. We built schools where girls could learn without fear. We brought clean water to neighborhoods where families once spent an entire day's wages for a single bucket.